So I can derive the Darcy-Weisbach equation, but we don't need that much. We just take the equation, what is Darcy-Weisbach, why it is used. There are two equations. So one is for head loss. If the fluid is flowing through a pipeline, due to friction, all pipes will have friction. Due to friction, there will be both head loss and as well pressure loss. So the friction will cause head loss and as well pressure loss. So we can calculate by using this equation, right? So take the pipe, take the fluid flowing through the pipe. We can take the same case. It is having the dia of 100 mm and density 1000 kg per meter cube. Velocity will be 2 meter per second and viscosity 0.001 kg per meter second. And one more thing we need is friction factor. So that is having a very crucial role here. So you can derive the friction factor by using a modic friction factor. So if you know the friction factor, you can find out head loss and pressure loss. So just write down the formula, then you will get an idea. So we just mentioned head loss is equal to, due to friction, that's why we mentioned HF. So it will be FLV square by 2GD. It's a derived one. So this is what here mentioned as friction factor, right? So you can call it as Darcy friction factor, either ways, okay? If it is called Darcy, it will be mentioned as FD. The next thing is, in some cases you may not have the friction factor. You may have coefficient of friction, that is another term. Just don't get confused with this one. Coefficient of friction. So if this is the case, this will be, you just take for idea F dash. If this is the case, what will be the formula? So the same HF will be changing with the constant. So 4 F dash L V square divided by 2GD. Same formula, but only the two things changing. Here F, it is 4F because of the friction factor and coefficient of friction. So that is the main thing. I will give you the units also. This is length. F, you got an idea. L is length of the pipe, and V is velocity, you know, velocity, and G is gravity, which is always 9.81 meter per second. This is gravity, and D is dia of pipe. So here is the thing. So this is the formula we have to use to find out the head loss due to friction. The next thing is same formula but with minor changes. Pressure drop or pressure loss. So to find out that one, it will be FLV square by 2D. So this is the main thing. So to find out the pressure drop, we are going to use this one. This is mentioned as same friction factor. Okay, so this is story. Here the gravity will not get included due to some rearrangement and equation solving problem. So the formula is, this is one to find out the pressure drop, and this is for head loss. Now, so for this, if you have any doubts, just ask it. The next thing is, we are going to see